The world of SAP licensing is highly complex. We create the required transparency to facilitate decisions. My name is Sam. I am an employee at Sandmeier Consulting, and that is Mr. Sandmeier. With our team consisting of SAP process and technology experts, lawyers and SAP license specialists, we cover the field of SAP license consulting with all its facets. That's what makes us the clear number one on the market when it comes to SAP license consulting. The foundation for accurate SAP license consulting is the precise analysis of a customer's SAP contracts and actual SAP usage. By evaluating a customer's actual SAP usage with professional tools and standardized methods, we are able to identify explicit cost-saving potentials and risks. In other words, we minimize a customer's SAP license and maintenance costs and simultaneously identify and prevent compliance risks, for example, regarding indirect usage. For this purpose, especially the migration to S/4HANA and the connected assessment of digital access plays an important role. As a result, we provide our customers with clear and profound guidance. Therefore, the number one on the market in SAP license consulting, Sandmeier Consulting, has teamed up with a number one SAP license management tool provider, Snow Software. Jointly, we deliver samplics, a solution based on the Snow Optimizer for SAP. Within this solution, we bundled all our experience gained throughout an extensive number of successful projects. In samplics, the SAP price list is translated into a pre-configured rule set. It can be easily adapted and optimized considering a customer's individual circumstances and special contractual license agreements. Besides the integration of existing contracts, future license models such as S/4HANA can be simulated. By using our ready-to-run solution samplics, our customers obtain a 100% transparency of cost-saving potentials and risks. In this way, the right decisions can be made for an optimized future license allocation and strategy. Sandmeier Consulting is a highly reliable partner when it comes to SAP license consulting and SAP license management. Get in touch with us and see for yourself. We gladly help you.